How to add a new page in Godaddy website builder. If you want to expand your Godaddy website, adding a new page is a simple process. This tutorial will guide you through it step by step. So first things first, navigate to your Godaddy dashboard, and this is exactly how it looks like. Once you're in the dashboard, you can see this type of interface. Now on the left hand side, you can see all list of options. From the option, simply tap on website, which is over here. Tap on it. Then that will take you to the website section. Now scroll down and go to edit website, which is over here. Tap on it. That will take you to the editor section of website, and we are in the edit side. Now go to this option site in left hand side, and there you can see a plus icon. Tap on it. That will open up here an option for a new page, link to the external website, and as we're going to add a new page in the website builder, tap on it. However, I won't be able to proceed further because I'm using a free plan and adding a new page is a part of a premium plan. However, I will explain you the rest process. Now, after tapping on a new page will instantly add to your website structure. It will likely have a default name. To customize it, click on the newly added page in the list. Now, you can rename your page to something relevant to its content. Just type in your desired page title, press done, or click outside the text box to save the new name. And that's it, you have successfully added a new page. You can now navigate to this page and start adding the content. It's like any other page on your website. Now explore different layouts and features to make your new page engaging. So that's all for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.